This is how you make a Maglera Doe boy type of beat, or really a kindlynxsh type of beat. So you start off with the guitar sample. So what I did basically here is I took this guitar sample and then I reversed it at some parts. And then after that, I put like a half timer to it. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. I put like a half time to it just to make some variation on a different section of the beat. You know, we do that over here. So this is the first part and then the half time part. I did another instance of the same melody and put half time to it. It sounds different compared to the first ones. Now, the main point of doing this was to make a variation, like the melody mustn't be too repetitive, but the aim here is to make it repetitive, but not too repetitive. So just make some different sections sound a little bit different. Not too unique, but just different. Yeah, so as you can see with the half timer, there's the automation. I just wanted it to cut here, to not play here and then play here. And I did this snare. With the snare, it hits here. And then this one, I made it chop. By making it chop, you just go here and then you make sure the envelope, it cuts the hold over here. Not really the hold, but the release. Yes. And then I took it down an octave. I took the same snare and took it down an octave just to make a little bit of you know, uniquely kindlynxsh kind of vibe. Super dope. Then after that, I did this hi-hat, right? So the hi-hat is also unique. As you can see, doesn't play your normal hi-hat, so it's a little bit weird. As you can see, we have low rolls here. By the way, guys, leave a subscribe. At G1 or at 1, like these are the very low notes. They carry a lot of lows, so they sound like this. Super dope. After that, I took the same hi-hat. So, wait a minute. Yeah, after that, I took the same hi-hat. So what I did with it is that I went to it and then hit this reverse thingy. And you know what reverse does, miss? It makes it sound reversed. Duh. After that, you know, we go to the most hardest thing, the 808, and just kept it basic, but, you know, sounds dope though. Now, as you can see, the 808 over here kind of ends, so this is the intro section part. So here the 808 changes a little bit. When the halftime comes in, the 808 changes a little bit. So here it sounds like this. On the screen are videos that you will definitely like, so click those.